Hey everybody, today I wanted to review a solar panel option for my Blink cameras that I've been using for almost 3 months now. UYODM has put out a integrated solar and battery combo unit that is really easy to hook up to your Blink cameras. So I wanted to dive deeper a little bit more into the characteristics of the solar panel. The solar panel is a 4-watt solar panel with a battery backup located inside the actual panel itself. It has 11.5-foot cable with an end USB micro connector. Now, what I wanted to do is just kind of quickly show you how quick it is to install it on a Blink camera. So if you take your Blink camera and look in the back of it, there's going to be a rubber grommet here that protects the actual connector inside the camera itself. What you do is you remove that, you take the connector, and then you plug it right directly in. It's that easy. So in order to get it operational, there is a switch on the side in order to turn it on, and you quickly just turn it on. Now, once you have that all installed, you want to make sure that the Blink camera itself has no batteries inside it. The manufacturer for the solar panel actually suggests that you should remove it to prevent any sort of damage against your Blink cameras. Once you have that all situated and connected, then what you do is you go ahead and you mount your connector for your solar panel. This actual aluminum alloy mounting bracket should be able to hold up the solar panel and adjust it towards the sun as needed. Now, if you're in question that you're worried about, well, how does it hold up against weather? The actual battery backup and actual solar panel is an IP66 weather rated box. So that means it should be able to handle any kind of thunderstorm that Mother Nature throws at it. So this is the solar panel I connected a couple months ago for my Blink camera system. And I wanted to see kind of how it would really operate in the weather, especially when we have hurricanes here. It rains every day. So the nice thing I found out about it is that you don't have to have any batteries inside your Blink camera. And it was really easy to assemble and install. It took literally less than 5 minutes to really do. I'm really happy with it. I bought the 3-pack. The system comes with, you can buy a single one or you can buy a 3-pack. I bought the 3-pack unit. I haven't installed the other 2 yet because I really want to see how this one performs. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and install the solar panel to my mailbox, to the Blink camera that I have here. That's been a constant having to change out the batteries all the time. Let's go ahead and do it. So what you're going to want to do first is you're going to go ahead and grab the mount and install the mount. That's going to have visibility to the sun. So once that's installed, you go ahead and get the solar panel. You get it, and then you just screw it on. One more turn here, and then there's a final adjustment here. Then you go ahead and you do the final adjustment there. So it looks pretty good as far as where it's installed at. Now what I'm going to want to do is remove the Blink camera, remove the rubber grommet, get it connected. There you go. Now I'll go ahead and clean up the cable here with some zip ties. Final product, solar panel installed, nice and tight. Everything's good here, routed the cable down. I went ahead and put some zip ties, connected it to the Blink camera. It's all set.